Houston Maritime Attorney in the USA in 2022. Houston Maritime Attorney in the USA is 2022. Our Houston Maritime Best Injury Attorneys at Cobo's Law is pleased to assist injured marine personnel is obtaining to compensations. Every business has its own risk, and the maritime sector is no exception. Salmon, in fact, operates in one of the best dangerous industries on the planet. Houston Maritime Attorney in the USA is 2022. When sailors are the boat, they are at the risk work-related injuries. The courts are aware of this. Further time and Houston personal injuries law firm in the always fighting for injured sailors. Houston Maritime Attorneys details check in maritime law gives to injured maritime workers the right to receive the compensations, the need of any work related problems. Moreover, these rules serve are the basics of the harm to sailors. Houston Maritime Attorney in the USA in 2022. If you are injured at the sea, it is important to contact the Houston Maritime lawyer, who is fully aware to these rules. If you have been to contact injured in the maritime business, contact our personal injury lawyers and let us fight for the you. Houston Maritime Attorney in the USA in 2022. Maritime law and maritime injuries cases. Houston Maritime Attorney in the US is 2022. The Admiralty Act exists to help injured sailors recover from work-related injuries. Without these restrictions, injured sailors would be obliged to work their own elevated and any hardship that may have to hard endure at work. When a marine crew becomes ill or injured, the ship owner is responsible for compensations. Them that this is what maritime advocates call maritimes and the treatments. Houston Maritime Attorney in the USA 2022. Basically, these means that the employer must be covered and the cost of the illness until the employee is full recovered. This commitment is seen by the courts and the duty of the employees are on their ship. Houston Maritime Attorney in the USA is 2022. In addition, sailors and entitled to full pay of the crucive period during which will they injured. In most cases, that specify the amount of the unpaid wages in their employment contract. High Sea Death Act. House Houston Maritime Attorney in the US in 2022. The best working in commercial marine industry is risky. The death of the worker can something be due to negligence or wrongdoing of the employer or co-worker. In the event of the death of the load with on the cruise ship and the least three in natural miles of the USA coast, and the spouse, parent, child, or other dependent relative may be entitled or fair compensations for the missed salary, funeral expenses, and the counseling cost on a high sea law. For claim to be successful, a maritime attorney must prove negligence on the part of the ship owner or co-worker, even if decreased plate role is in the her own death. Compensations may will be appropriate. Subscribe for more as and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks.